Hi there, Pick of the Week from Rob's Library, and this week we are going to talk about something that every serious network needs to read, The Super Connector by Scott Gerber and Ryan Powell. Stop networking and start building relationships that matter. And what I'm going to tell you today is very serious. I want you to stop networking. Now seriously, you need to stop doing it right now. And what I mean by that is it's time to ditch the old networking mentality. You know, networking for networking's sake. You need to put in an action, a more powerful and effective approach to creating and enhancing connections. You know, the authors talk about how systematically and authentically you need to build a community around you. They stress the utmost importance of practicing habitual generosity and acting on the knowledge that the greatest return comes when you least expect it, and then putting other people first. The good karma that things will come back tenfold. Finally, you know, the real wealth is measured by the community of people that you surround yourself with, who can work together and win together for a lifetime. You need to read this book. You need to share it. You need to buy it today. Keep reading, my friends, and remember, knowledge inspires creativity, curiosity, and concentration. Have a great week.